Turkey's defense leader Saral Sarbat Mas has officially introduced the Sarbet armed robot at the Saha Expo 2024 in Istanbul, marking an important milestone in military innovation. Sarbet represents a sophisticated robotic platform built for high-risk and demanding environments, combining advanced mobility, powerful weapon systems, and cutting-edge autonomous technology. These features enable it to conduct reconnaissance missions, ensure perimeter security, and carry out operations in hostile terrains with greater efficiency and precision. Developed with locally sourced technologies and advanced mechatronic engineering, Sarbet highlights Turkey's growing independence in defense manufacturing and technological innovation. By unveiling this system, Saral Sarbat Mas demonstrates its strong commitment to enhancing the operational capabilities of modern armed forces, supporting mission effectiveness, and maintaining superiority in challenging conditions. This development further emphasizes Turkey's role as an emerging force in the global defense sector. The VSAR 700, developed by Airbus Helicopters, is a state-of-the-art vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, specifically designed for anti-submarine warfare, ASW missions. This advanced platform significantly strengthens naval operations by enabling the deployment of ASW barriers, positioning sonobuoys, and detecting submarine periscopes through the use of highly sophisticated radar and electro-optical sensors. Built with remarkable endurance, a low acoustic signature, and integrated advanced detection systems, the VSAR 700 provides a decisive advantage in maritime defense. Its ability to track and deter submarines with precision makes it a critical force multiplier for modern navies operating in contested waters. By delivering superior situational awareness and enhanced underwater security, the VSAR 700 ensures naval forces can respond rapidly and effectively to underwater threats, reinforcing operational readiness and maritime dominance in increasingly complex defense environments. The Hensoldt SETA's see-through armor system is a cutting-edge electro-optical observation solution designed to equip armored vehicles with full 360 degrees situational awareness while keeping crew members protected inside. Utilizing high-resolution visual and thermal imaging cameras, SETAs can detect and identify threats such as snipers, RPGs, or other hostile elements from distances exceeding 300 meters. Its modular, open-interface architecture allows seamless integration with a wide range of vehicle platforms and onboard systems, ensuring adaptability across diverse mission requirements. By providing real-time close-area observation and rapid threat detection, SETAs significantly enhances crew safety, operational efficiency, and battlefield survivability. This advanced system transforms armored vehicles into smarter, more secure platforms, enabling superior awareness in complex and hostile environments. As a result, SETAs stands as an essential asset for modern mechanized forces, redefining how military units maintain dominance and protection in high-risk operational scenarios. The Anduril Dive XL is an extra-large autonomous undersea vehicle engineered to perform a broad spectrum of long-range, long-duration missions, including seabed surveys, intelligence gathering, surveillance, reconnaissance, and strike operations. Built with a highly configurable architecture, it supports multiple large payloads and leverages a fully electric powertrain, enabling extended underwater endurance without surfacing, greatly improving survivability and mission flexibility. Its modular design ensures rapid integration of third-party systems, making it adaptable to diverse operational requirements. By combining endurance, versatility, and advanced autonomy, the Dive XL sets new benchmarks for maritime robotics. Recent trials have proven its ability to remain submerged for prolonged periods and traverse vast distances, demonstrating unmatched persistence beneath the surface. This capability positions the Dive XL as a critical asset for modern naval forces, strengthening undersea dominance and expanding operational reach in contested maritime environments. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Air Force, is a next-generation stealth strategic bomber engineered to deliver both conventional and nuclear munitions with pinpoint precision. As part of the Long-Range Strike Bomber (LSB) program, it carries the legacy of the Doolittle Raiders of World War II, honoring their historic mission. Designed to gradually replace aging platforms such as the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit by 2040, the B-21 also holds the potential to succeed the B-52 Stratofortress in the future. Equipped with cutting-edge stealth technologies, it is specifically built to penetrate the world's most advanced air defense systems, ensuring survivability and unmatched effectiveness in highly contested environments. By combining versatility, resilience, and long-range capabilities, the B-21 Raider establishes itself as the cornerstone of modern aerial warfare, guaranteeing U.S. air power dominance and strategic deterrence well into the coming decades. Hypersonic missiles are advanced next-generation weapons capable of reaching speeds above Mach 5, making them extremely challenging to detect, track, and intercept with current defense systems. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, they can maneuver dynamically during flight and operate at lower altitudes, enabling them to evade radar coverage and missile defense networks with greater effectiveness. These systems are designed to carry either conventional or nuclear payloads, providing a highly versatile and formidable strike capability. Their combination of speed, agility, and precision allows them to hit critical targets with little to no warning, representing a profound shift in modern warfare and posing serious risks to global security. Major powers, including the United States, Russia, and China, are heavily investing in the development and deployment of hypersonic technologies, fueling a new strategic arms race and raising urgent concerns about the long-term implications for international stability and deterrence dynamics worldwide. The Oxum Marine Armored Chaser 980, developed by Oxum Marine Industries LLC, is a highly durable and versatile armored vessel built for demanding missions such as search and rescue, maritime security, and special operations across both coastal and inland waters. Constructed with BR6 level bulletproof glass and full armored protection, the Chaser 980 is designed for maximum survivability, featuring an unsinkable hull equipped with a specialized sink prevention filter. Engineered for superior performance, it delivers exceptional stability, impressive speeds of up to 45 knots, and precise maneuverability, even under harsh weather or turbulent sea conditions. The platform also offers a high degree of customization, with options for mounted turrets, gun ports, and other mission-specific equipment, ensuring adaptability for a wide range of operational needs. By combining speed, protection, and modular flexibility, the Chaser 980 stands out as a vital maritime asset, providing unmatched reliability and security for modern naval and law enforcement missions. The Rheinmetall Keeler Next Generation is a purpose-built armored breaching vehicle engineered to rapidly clear minefields, obstacles, and fortified positions in combat. Built on the Kodiak Armored Engineer chassis and sharing design lineage with the Leopard 2 family, it pairs heavy-duty engineering tools with battlefield mobility, top speed of 65 kilometers per hour, 90 centimeters obstacle climbing capability, and the ability to cross trenches over 2.5 m wide. Its clearance suite includes an MPLOW, a rocket-assisted detonation cord system, and an integrated lane marking capability to open and mark safe passages. Protection and self-defense are provided by the ROSI Rapid Obscurant System and a NATO-compatible 12.7mm remotely controlled weapon station. Keeler NG supports remote operation and seamless integration into digitalized command and control networks, enabling coordinated breaching, rapid route clearance, and enhanced force protection for follow-on units operating in contested environments. Its modular kit and scalable powertrain enable reconfiguration with mission-specific tools, increasing safety. The Autel Dragonfish is a highly adaptable series of fixed-wing drones designed to support a wide range of missions, from aerial surveying to critical search and rescue operations. Featuring a unique tilt-rotor design, the Dragonfish combines ease of operation with exceptional performance and efficiency, making it accessible yet powerful for professional use. Its modular and waterproof construction allows quick customization with various payloads, while advanced AI-driven tracking enhances mission effectiveness. Depending on the model, the Dragonfish delivers impressive endurance with flight times ranging from 75 to 180 minutes and can reach maximum speeds of up to 108 kilometers per hour, 67 miles per hour. Outfitted with state-of-the-art sensors and intelligent flight systems, it provides reliable performance even in harsh or unpredictable environments. By offering durability, adaptability, and precision, the Autel Dragonfish stands out as a robust aerial solution, delivering dependable results across diverse operational scenarios and ensuring mission success under demanding conditions. The DJI Matrice 4 series, which includes the Matrice 4T and Matrice 4E models, represents DJI's latest flagship line of enterprise drones, engineered to meet the demands of professional aerial operations. Equipped with advanced AI-driven smart detection, laser rangefinder measurement, and enhanced multi-directional sensing, these drones deliver safer, more precise, and highly reliable flight performance. The Matrice 4T is optimized for critical applications such as emergency response, public safety, and energy infrastructure management, while the Matrice 4E is tailored for surveying, mapping, construction, and industrial inspections. Both models integrate powerful multi-sensor systems and intelligent flight technologies, enabling them to handle a diverse set of complex missions with efficiency and accuracy. By combining innovation, adaptability, and performance, the Matrice 4 series sets a new benchmark for enterprise drone solutions, empowering organizations to enhance operational effectiveness and transform the way aerial tasks are conducted across industries.